Talk about these macaws. From them. Dude, what's wrong with you? Do you want to tell me something? Do you want to go out? You have a nice dress, bro. I'm gonna edit this and I'm gonna add a song to your dance, okay? They just want to kill us, that's it. Hello. Hi. Her name is Talking Cockatoo. Rose. In the morning. So very good morning, guys. Today we are going to have the first road trip in 2024, baby. That's what's up. Now we are going to get ready, pack our bags, and just gonna have fun, baby. Let's go. Where are you going? Kataragama.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Why are you doing thumbs ups? I'm not taking a photo, Papa. I'm taking a video.
What?
Yeah.
What's it?
So we are currently leaving Kalutara, and right now we are in front of the Kalutara Police Training College, waiting for the other guys. They are around 15 minutes late.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a very good day today, you know. Look at that. That's the moon. And look at the sky. Oh, that means it's a good day, baby. Dude, I forgot to tell you about where are we going exactly, and we are going to Birds Park, Birds Research Center, and yeah, they came and we are leaving now. After a long drive, we stopped in front of a beautiful lake called Andhra Lake, and we had our homemade breakfast with my friends. And shout out goes to my wives Amma and Appachi for making these delicious pork and chicken sandwiches in the early morning. It was so delicious. We are finally here to the Birds Park. We came around like 200 kilometers from Kalutara to Birds Park. And you know what? Let's enjoy it. So this is the Bird Park Research Center's entrance. Now we are going into the Birds Park to actually see the birds. And that is Southern Expressway. So this is the entrance. We just got inside the Birds Park, and when you enter, you gotta go through that ticket section. You gotta buy the tickets from there, and I will mention the ticket prices right now. They have buggies. It will cost you 5,000 for 7 persons. When you choose the buggy, you actually have the benefits of they are actually gonna explain every single bird, not every single bird, but some special birds, or if you saw some beautiful bird, they will definitely gonna explain about them. And that's the benefit of it. If you walking around the birds park, that's also nice because you can see the birds in front much more closer. Look at these boys, flamingos. They're orange. No, not orange.
Not orange.
But
Kind of
they're
pink.
beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Hello, flamingo. Boys. God damn. I mean, can you please turn around? Mr. Peacock. All I can see is your ass. Well, he's impressing someone. Oh, he's trying to impress this girl. He's pretty busy, babe.
Yeah.
It's fine. You carry on, bro. You carry on. Come on, let's go. Oh, babe. Dude, look at that white one. Don't turn your back on me, dude. What's wrong with you? Everyone? Come on. A little bit more. Come on. Come on. A little bit. Come. Oh. Who is this? Golden Conio. Country, Brazil. Well, he's pretty calm, I think she's or whatever. He is sleeping. No, he's not sleeping. He's a calm bird, Not any shoutings and all. This is Pesquet parrot. I mean, she's right there. I mean, I can't see her. Well, she's beautiful. Oh, hello girls. How are you? Ooh. Well, hello. Well, they are talking to us. Who are these? Rainbow. Lorikeet. Hello. They seems friendly, Hi. Hello. Oh, they are trying to impress us. God damn. Look at her. Bye. Bye. Bye, darling. Oh, they're cool. Oh my god, they're kissing. This is not a proper thing to do, babe. We are just disturbing them. Where are they from? Where's the country? Oh my god. They are the largest macaw and the largest flying parrot species in the world. Oh my god, dude. I mean, they're pretty big, but I don't know whether you can see these guys, but they're having a time of their lives. This is the largest, the largest birds park in Asia. Can you imagine it? I can't show you 3,000 birds on this birds park, okay? And not even 3,000, it's actually 3,000 birds, 180 varieties of birds. Oh wait, I just saw some cool macaws, right? Yes. Look at these guys. These are macaws, like 100 or more macaws in one cage. Talk about these macaws. These people, these guys just showing off their skills like that, and these guys. Talk about these guys, they are the guys, who are calm and just enjoying the moment and, having a little conversation. And talk about this, they are having a romantic session right there, talking to each other and, having a date, I guess. And yeah, they are on a date. And these guys, these, they are just, looking at us and they are acting like, who the hell is this? What is he doing? and some turn their backs on me. And in this one cage, I think they just split into two teams. One team is there and another team is there. The difference between them is just those guys are bloody loud and these guys are they're pretty calm. When we at the entrance, it was so hot, but inside the bird park, it's not hot. Yeah. Hi. Bye bye. Hello. Hi. She wants food. She literally wants food. And this bird's name is Reyes, South America. Reyes. Sup, Reyes? I mean, it's like a typical South American name, man. Like, yo, Reyes, man. Reyes. I mean, that's not the name. I mean, that's the name of their variety. Look at the hairstyle of these guys. Oh my god. You know what? That hairstyle, dude, hard to maintain, okay? I mean, kudos for that. Babe, look at the colors of them. Pied peacocks.
I think because of the colors. They are all together.
Wow. I mean, they have like 4 or 5 colors on them. Dude, what's wrong with you? These guys look little intimidating. Yep, they look little aggressive. Yeah. I mean, dude, you guys are a little dangerous, right? I can see by your eyes, bro. Anyway, okay, have a good time, man. See you. Do you guys want to see military macaws? From Mexico, baby. All the way from South America. And look at these guys. I'm 100% sure that they are from the military. The birds park have pretty good, clean washrooms too. As you can see, it's clean. Number 1 or number 2, it's all clean, What are you trying to tell me, man? Do you want to tell me something? Do you want to go out? Oh, sorry, dude. I mean, even if you go out in these, you're not gonna survive. So you better stay in this, Cassowary, Southern New Guinea, Northern Australia. Can you see him? No. Oh, there's a guy. Like he's chilling, Hello. Hello, boys. Hello. Look at him. Hi. You have a nice dress, bro. You have a very nice dress. You just want to, talk to me. Did you had your breakfast, bro? It's 11 o'clock. I hope you had breakfast. I mean, it feels like he's pretty aggressive, Yeah. He doesn't want me in here. Yeah. I felt it. Can you believe in the same cage with that guy? Can you just imagine what's gonna happen? Dead. Oh. What are you guys doing? You having fun? Are you having a good time? Okay. Bye. Eclectrus parrot from New Guinea and Australia. Oh my god.
These are male birds
Look at the colors.
and the female birds are red color.
Oh,
They
okay.
are there.
They're just drinking water because it's so hot out here. Well, look at this beauty. Goffin's cockatoo. Oh my god. She's dancing, babe. Come here. My god. That's a beautiful dance, bro. Can you dance for me again? It's for YouTube. You're gonna be a YouTube sensation, bro. Can you dance? Oh. Come on. I'm gonna edit this and I'm gonna add a song to your dance, okay? You're gonna hurt yourself if you're doing that. Okay, that's enough, okay? I think that's enough. Nice! That's a really good dance. I mean, the parrots and the macaws, they just want to impress us, you know? We impress. She's pretty nice, pretty cute. Bye. Bye bye. We love you. We love your dance. These guys are, you know, they are pretty famous in Sri Lanka. They are lovebirds, and what they do is just, you know, loving each other. That's why they are lovebirds. That's about it. Look at him. He just want to talk to us. Hi. What are you trying to say? You want to go out? A crown crane from Eastern and Southern Africa. They look like the Sprite guy. No, the 7-Up guy. Huh? His name is Fido, right? Hey Fidos. What's up, Fidos? Hi. How you guys doing? You have a nice hairstyle. Can you just show me your hairstyle for a bit, please? Please, guys. Please. Can you come closer? A little bit closer. Well, look what we found. Greater yellow-headed vulture from South America. They just want to eat us, you know. I think they are eating me.
Yeah.
Hi. Do I look like a piece of meat? Hello. I mean, I guess they're dangerous, very dangerous guys. Well, we found the king of vultures. And they are from Southern Mexico and Northern Argentina. Oh my god, babe, they're big. Hello guys. Hello. Hi. Oh my god. They just want to kill us, that's it. Oh no, not kill us, they just want to eat us. Do you want to eat me? Well, you have a place to eat. Oh, this is the place that we can feed them. If you came to Birds Park, you have the chance to feed the birds. 1,000 rupees to feed them. To feed these guys. Look at these cuties. I mean, I don't know whether you can see them properly. Hello. Hi. How are you? He just wants to talk to me. Do you want to go out, darling? Do you want to come home with me? Huh? Let's go home with me, okay? What just happened? Dude, they just want to eat. What's wrong? Well, you are a friendly guy. Oh, these are pretty lousy guys, man. Who are these guys? God damn, look at them. Look what we found. Her name is Talking Cockatoo. Rose. Rose? Hi, Rose. How are you? Talk to us. Hello. Oh, mang kéo. Why, making man nữa making.
Rosebud girl.
Dude. Why are you asking me that? I already ate. Oh, see, I told you. They're just showing off, you know, all the parrots. And when you walk around the birds park, it's not actually the cages and the birds. It's also about, you know, the lakes and the nature, the bird sounds. It's mix of everything. And some parts are very hot, some parts are very cold. It's beautiful, you know. It's really beautiful. Say quack quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack quack.
Quack, quack. Bye, Dad.
Now say bye to that duck.
Bye.
Hello. Hi. How you guys doing? What's up? Did you guys have breakfast? Well, he's having breakfast. So, Birds Park Hambantota is an amazing place to see and learn about birds. This park has over 180 kinds of birds and 3,200 birds in total. You know, please go to Birds Park and help them save the birds that are in danger, because they are the only ones left in Asia and Sri Lanka. So, you want to see them, right? So what do you think about the bird park?
Nice. Also, birds that I've never seen. Good experience.
We actually finished the tour of Hambantota Birds Park, and then we came to get the lunch. And we found a place, and it's close to Veeravilla Air Force Camp. And this place. Food was okay, not delicious, but you know. Oh, we are going to the villa. Just keep in touch. First, I will tell you why we choose Sandalu Eco Resorts, Thissamaharama. Simply, we were looking for a place to get away from the city and all the noises, somewhere we could be surrounded by nature. So that's why we picked Sandalu Eco Resorts. From the moment you step into the resort, you're greeted with warm smiles. So after a long drive, we came here and had a wonderful day. So now, I'm going to tell you how it was. Let's start from the pool. The pool is very clean. To be honest, I was surprised by the cleanness of the pool. So the height of the pool is 4 feet and the size is average. We had a lot of fun swimming laps. We also enjoyed the sun and the breeze. The pool made us feel relaxed and happy. We had a good time. Yeah. And let's check out the view. The first thing you see is the greenery and the small lake in front of the resort. And the first thing you're gonna hear is the noises of nature. The resort is situated on a 7-acre private farm, so I can assure you that you won't even hear a single honking noise of a vehicle. Trust me. The things that I like the most about this resort are the antiques that they use to make the resort look more elegant. The antiques added a lot of charm and character to this place, and one of my favorite is this clock. Now to the bedrooms. The rooms were so clean, and the beds and also the pillows were super comfortable. The resort has 2 air-conditioned bedrooms and balconies with landside views, and also with hot water and attached bathrooms. There's an attic on the resort with 2 double beds and plenty of space to hang around with your friends. And if you're coming with kids, I will assure you there's plenty of space for kids to play around. But watch out when it rains, because the resort floor is mostly wood and some parts are open to the air. The rain makes it slippery, so be careful, because you don't want to fall on your ass, right? The resort has a caretaker who also the cook, and the food was awesome. You gotta try his milk tea and the plain tea. They're so good, like, I'm not kidding. You have to try it. Back to the topic. When you check in, don't forget to bring all the stuff you need from the supermarket. There's nothing around here for like 5 kilometers. The resort has a Bluetooth speaker, so you don't need to bring one. And you also can watch TV or movies or something on satellite TV if you want. And for your information, the resort has square pin sockets. You know what I mean, right? Talking about the roads are kind of muddy and wet in some places because of the rain. Other than that, it's all good. So that's it about Sandalu Eco Resorts. A great place to relax and enjoy nature. It's a beautiful resort with a pool, a lake, a farm, and antiques. We had a great stay at the resort and it's totally worth it. Trust me. If you want to book this resort, check out the link in the description. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, adios baby.